Hello students, today we are going to write marching questions of 2.2 The Boy Who Broke the Bank. This lesson is from your 10th standard English. So सगळ्यांनाच माहिती आहे की लेसनच्या लेफ्ट हँडला किंवा राईट हँडला जी स्पेस असते त्यात जे क्वेश्चन असतात त्याला कोणी साईड क्वेश्चन म्हणतात कोणी मार्जिंग क्वेश्चन्स म्हणतं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राईट ऑल दिस क्वेश्चन्स आन्सर. Name the characters of the story. Answer: Seth Govindram, Nathu, Sitaram, Mrs. Srivastava, Mrs. Bhushan, Mr. Bhushan, Kamal Kishore, Deep Chand, Old Ganpat, bank manager, town folks. Second question: which action of Nathu shows his annoyance? Answer: Nathu banging his pan against a dustbin and sweeping hurriedly and carelessly showed his annoyance. Third, how do you show your annoyance? तुम्ही तुमचा राग कसा व्यक्त करता? Answer: I show my annoyance by not talking to anyone. Third, how do you show your annoyance? Okay, repeat झाला. Fourth, to whom did Sitaram talk about Nathu? Answer: Sitaram spoke to Mrs. Srivastava about Nathu. 5. Why was Mrs. Bhushan uncomfortable? Answer: Mrs. Bhushan was uncomfortable due to the summer heat. 6. Which shop was just next to the photography shop? Answer: the barber shop was next to the photography shop. Question 7. Who did Deep Chand call a bird? Answer: Deep Chand called Seth Govindram a bird. 8. Who was Mr. Srivastava talking to? Answer: there is no mention of Mr. Srivastava in the story. Question 9. Who surprised everyone and how? Answer: Old Ganpat the beggar, who had a crooked leg and had been squatting on the pavement for years calling for alms, surprised everyone by leaping to his feet and running at top speed towards the direction of the bank. Question 10. What were the 4 rumors about Seth Govindram? Answer: the 4 rumors about Seth Govindram were: he had indulged in excesses. Second, he had fled the state. Third, he had fled the country. 4. He had hanged himself from the tamarind tree. Question 11. Who was the last to know about the Pipli Nagar bank going bankrupt? Answer: Nathu was the last to know about the Pipli Nagar bank going bankrupt. Question 12. Discuss and share how are rumors spread. Are the rumors harmful? Why not? अफवा कशा पसरतात? अफवा वाईट असतात का चांगल्या असतात का ते सांगायचं आहे. Answer: rumors are spread by people exaggerating something they have heard and telling someone else. They are spread due to people's nature of gossiping. Rumors are harmful because they can cause panic amongst people, which can lead to other problems. थँक यू स्टुडंट्स. बऱ्यापैकी सगळेच प्रश्न आपण इथे उत्तर दिलेले आहेत. सो हा व्हिडिओ तुमच्यासाठी मी केला होता. मी म्हणजे सपना टीचर. मी पुणे जिल्ह्यातील तळेगाव दाभाडे इथून आहे. तुम्ही कुठला व्हिडिओ बघितला मला नक्की कळवा. भेटूयात नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. धन्यवाद.